Hello and welcome back. Well, I painted my chassis on Land Rover, so today I thought, while it's drying, I thought I'd do a little bit different. I see these videos all the time on YouTube or whatever about unboxing of pieces and parts. So today I got an order from Paddocks Spares, so I thought I'd do an unboxing just for the fun of it. And also, while I was on eBay, I found this. It's actually a hardcover book of Land Rover Series Diesel. A lot of the ones I see all the time are petrol all the time. So this was actually a diesel one from 58 to 85. So I always wanted a Haynes manual. I've had Haynes manuals in the past, and I already have the green Bible and the green parts manual and all that kind of stuff. But this has pretty good pictures in it and things like that. And the way that the book kind of flows is a little bit nicer than the green Bible, and they give a little bit extra detail on items. So it was like $12 American, so shipped $12 or $15 shipped on eBay. So I thought, oh, what the heck. So I add that to my library. So this is a shipment from Paddock Spares over in the UK. So let's cut her open. Let's see what we got. Lots of paper. Always check your paper whenever you get stuff, just to make sure there's nothing hidden inside of it, or maybe taped on the inside of it. Okay. What we got? Okay, first thing is transmission mounts, and I'll talk about these a little bit more as I'm working on the truck itself. Transmission mounts, another transmission mount, and we got four transmission mounts. Okay, I got a little mixed up there. So I got four Brit-Part transmission mounts. These are the petrol part number 2054. I got four of those. Then I got four of the diesel, part number 2052. Okay, and here 1, 2, and 3, 4. I got four of those. Then part number 2053. 2053 is their R380. Or, I'm sorry, 300 TDI or 200 TDI transmission mounts. Okay, whoa. I'm getting confused here, and you're thinking, what the heck? Why does he have three different sets of transmission mounts? So for this brief interruption, I'm going to talk to you what my train of thought is and what I've been looking at online. So online, everybody's complaining about how hard the transmission mounts are, and I can't get a definitive answer on anything, on which is soft, which is hard, and everything. There's two, people online are saying it'll shake you right out of the cab. It's so difficult. No, not difficult, but the mounts are so hard with a diesel that it's going to end up shaking you like crazy. So there's a guy online that sells them for ridiculously. He sells them online, but what he did is he changed the compound on the inside. So he makes a custom transmission mount, same size. Well, actually, it's the little bigger one here. It's the same size as this, but it has a different compound onto the inside. But for two of them, shipped to America is $60 for two mounts, and you need four mounts. So for $120 American, I can't see myself spending that just for four transmission mounts. So since I couldn't get an answer online on what it is and which is different between the compounds of each one of these, I ordered all three of them. So let me go over here. This is the petrol one, your standard series petrol transmission mount. This one's supposed to be the 200 TDI transmission mounts or 300 TDI transmission mounts. Then this one is your original diesel series truck transmission mounts. These two are basically the same. They're both for a series truck, series 2 or 2A, 3, I think. I think they're all the same or whatever. But so the comparison, so these two are the same. Then this one's for a 300. And I can tell already that the 200, like you can push the rubber piece up a little bit, and it actually feels kind of softer than the petrol one, which is just hard as a rock. You can't even, this lip right here, you can't even move, you can't even push it and turn it and squish it. So this one seems to be a softer already, just right off the bat. And then the diesel one is actually, this is hard as a rock right here, this piece, but the sides, like you can kind of turn it and it feels a little bit softer, but again, you don't know until they're installed. So I don't know what I'm going to do right now, but in the future I'm going to decide which one of these whenever I do the transmission and engine mounts or whatever. So I just wanted to point out, you think, what the heck is the matter with this guy? And believe me, if you're watching my channel, you understand. So back to your regularly scheduled unboxing video. Thank you very much. This is the oil seal kit for the crank at the end by the flywheel. Then I got some, which are in a green package, but they're the prop shafts, bolts. I bought a whole set of, let's see, 4, 8, 16 of them. That with the bolt and nut. And this is all the clutch spring and some other nuts here or whatever, some extra nuts I bought. And oh, these must be the nuts that go with these bolts, maybe. Can't quite remember why I got them. Okay, so, and then for the Alpine windows, up on the top, I got new seals. Another set of seals right here. And then the retainer or the piece that goes inside the seal that actually holds it tight against the window. Got 2 of those. Then I got prop U-joints. Got U-joints. This is the GKNs. The spinner. What do they call them? Spinner or spiner or whatever ones. So I got 4 of those. Okay. And then I got P-clips for the brake lines. I got a 10-pack of those with rubber bushings that go inside of them. Valve cover gasket. Got 1 of those. And also an exhaust intake gasket. All right, so you think, holy cow, that's a lot of stuff. But, and also another question I get asked, why is it that I buy everything from the UK and I'm here in America, in USA? So the prices are so much cheaper in the UK for all these pieces and parts that even with shipping, I still get them cheaper getting delivered home in America. But if you can guess my accent and where I'm from, there's an added bonus too. Put that in the comments down below if you can guess from my accent. A lot of people do for some reason. I think I just talk normal. But anyways, okay, so this whole grand total of pieces and parts, all this stuff. You see all these? This came to, I want to give a little comparison on pieces and parts if you buy them in the UK or if you buy them in America. Okay? So, okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so anyways, so the U-joints. Let's talk about the U-joints. I got these U-joints, GKN, which is a good brand name, U-joint, okay? So I paid 100, let's say, well, I'll round up and say 140 US dollars I paid for all these parts, okay? So now, let's say if I wanted to get some parts from a US vendor, okay? So here, I get 4 of these, okay? From a US vendor, 4 U-joints, okay? And then we'll do prop shaft bolts and nuts. Bolts and nuts here, okay? We'll do the P-clips, the little brake P-clips, and the rubber bushings, okay? Let's see, what else did I have? Yeah, the grommets, the bolts, transmission. Let's see, what do I have here? Treads. Okay, so good guys there. Transmission mounts. We'll say 4 transmission mounts, okay? This total right here, just this parts right here, if I bought them in America, as it is, it would be $135 right here for these parts. That's not even including shipping, okay? So just this pile of parts is $135 in America with one of our vendors that we have here in America. If I go to Paddock Spares, which is in the UK, or Bearmac. Bearmac's an excellent company too. I like Bearmac and Paddocks Spares, the 2 places I've been ordering everything from. I order all this from Paddock Spares, plus shipping to the US is $140. Did you hear what I just said there? $140 for all this from the UK, including shipping. If I bought just these parts right here, U-joints, these little pieces and parts here from America, would be $135 plus shipping. So when anybody in America that are watching these videos, if anybody in America is actually watching them, you guys in the UK, you already know. You know all about this already. So order it, look at your prices. Look at everywhere that you're shopping and see how much things are. Just because, like, this was like $36 shipping for all these parts. But the grand total, all the parts are still cheaper than just this little pile here if I bought it in America. Okay, I think I beat that horse dead. So, you know what I mean? So always weigh your options, even though you're ordering from the UK. And the shipping is pretty fast too from the UK. It's usually, 2-3 days, and it'll be on my doorstep. So, okay, enough about that. Well, that's the end of the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. And like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Comment below. Have any questions about pieces and parts, or if you want to see more about all the different parts that I get, just let me know. And thank you very much. You have a good one, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.